the shoulders would go out, the knees would pop, the back would flatten out, the neck would crack, and then it would go down to another area of my body. I would chew into food. It would go to the shoulder and down to the foot. And the first couple of treatments, I noticed immediate results. They've really been remarkable for me. They've got me not worrying so much, able to go into a grocery store and actually do some grocery shopping. And it's given me hope that there's a life for me, that I can have a quality of life. I never felt like that in I don't know how many years. And my hands were so swollen. This thumb has gone down with the swollenness. My feet, which I was wearing orthotics, I'm not wearing the orthotics now. I'm sleeping better. I was able to work better in the kitchen preparing the foods. And like I said, able to go into the grocery store and take the garbage out. And then my eyes, I was able to see clearly. My hands were like ice, and now they've warmed up. I'm able to sit easier in the car when people drive me. It's just really great, the organ remapping. I can feel it working on all of my parts. Today he worked on my kidneys, and I've never had anything like this before. And you just notice something right away when he does it. What makes Dr. Jodie different is he has a passion for what he does. He's very caring. He connects and bonds with his clients, his patients. He has a protocol of the nutrition, and he's very compassionate, caring, nurturing, which you don't get from a regular MD. What else can I say? He's just a great person.
Hi, I'm Mary. I am here to talk about my friend Chandra. She's been looking for someone to give her relief from pain and the fear that goes along with it, that she's just going to wind up totally disabled. Chandra was very hypersensitive, as pain will do to a person. She was hesitant to, when you get her out of her house, she was hesitant to do anything. And now I have to run to keep up with her. The transformation is wonderful, though, and she's just started, and she's came so far already. I asked myself when I came here, what makes this guy different? Skeptical, cynical, even cynical. And as I got to know what it was that he was doing, as I got to listen, I spent the entire first 2 sessions with her, and I got to sit back in the office and watch what was going on. Absolutely. Watch the patients that came in, and what makes Dr. Jodie different is that he doesn't tell you, okay, this is what's wrong and this is what we're going to do. He says, this is what's going on with your body and this is what we do to fix it.
Right.
We have your own body fix itself. This is the treatment. And I've watched what he said work. It's not a last hope. It's the first thing that you need to do.